Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're starting our Advanced Forex Strategies series with a powerful foundation. What is Forex? Whether you're new to trading or refreshing your basics, this lesson will give you the clarity you need to understand the world's biggest financial market. Let's dive in. What is Forex? Forex, also known as FX, stands for foreign exchange. It's the global marketplace where currencies are bought and sold. It's completely decentralized. There's no physical exchange, no Wall Street. Instead, Forex runs 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, across a network of banks, institutions, corporations, governments, and retail traders. It's the most liquid financial market on the planet, moving over $7 trillion every single day. Why Forex matters? Forex isn't just for traders. It keeps the global economy running. Whenever a business imports goods, whenever someone invests overseas, whenever you travel and exchange money, that's Forex at work. Without it, international trade, tourism, and global investing simply wouldn't function. Who trades Forex? The market is driven by several key players, commercial and investment banks. Central banks like the Federal Reserve and Bank of England. Multinational corporations. Hedge funds. And of course, retail traders. Each participant has their own motives, from hedging and risk management to pure speculation. How Forex evolved. Although currency exchange has existed for centuries, the modern Forex market began in the 1970s. When the Bretton Woods system collapsed, countries moved to floating exchange rates. This shift allowed currencies to move freely, giving birth to the Forex market we trade today. Trading and investing in Forex. Traders enter the Forex market for two main reasons. 1. Speculation, trying to profit from currency movements. 2. Investment, holding positions long-term for diversification or protection. Traders buy currencies expected to rise, and sell currencies expected to fall. Simple logic, powerful results. Volatility and opportunity. Forex is known for volatility, fast price movements driven by news, economics, and sentiment. Volatility creates risk, but it also creates opportunity. With the right strategies and discipline, traders can use these market movements to their advantage. And that's your introduction to the foreign exchange market. In the next lessons, we'll dive into currency pairs, trading sessions, order types, and advanced strategies to help you develop real trading mastery. If you found this helpful, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more. Welcome to the world of Forex, where currencies rise, fall, and opportunities are everywhere.